Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the in-game language on the Destroy All Humans game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Destroy All Humans game on your device, and once you are taken into the home page, if you wish to change your in-game language, you will need to go into the options page. This is the third menu if you count from the bottom. So go ahead and click on it, and now make sure that you are in the first tab at the top, and you will see the language option, which is the very first menu. You can use the left and right arrows to cycle through the various languages that are available. After you have found your desired language, you can press the enter button or save your changes, and now your language will be switched right away. You can continue to play with your chosen language, and if at any point you wish to switch this, remember to go to the third option from the bottom, and then from the first menu, choose your language using the slider at the left or right. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the in-game language on the Destroy All Humans game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.